Hello. Would you like to know what station we're at today? We are at Killcoole in County Wicklow. Recently this station got the new blue signage. This station only has one platform. Basically this station's a halt. It lies in between Greystones and Wicklow, and it's one of these stations that is one of the least served on the entire Irish Rail network. On Mondays to Fridays, you have 2 trains per day to Dublin Connolly via Bray, 1 continues to Dundalk, 2 trains to Rosslare Europort, 1 train to Wexford. On Saturdays, 1 train to Dundalk via Connolly and Bray, and what else? 1 train to Rosslare Europort. And on Sundays and public holidays, no services call here at all. But still, you get a really nice view of the sea from here. As you can see, here's the signage. Killcoole. Recently I had trouble pronouncing that, but when I was on the train coming from Wicklow back in April, I was able to hear the announcements that do the Irish pronunciation for this place. And this station also has an LED display, however it never functions. There's a train to Rosslare Europort due here, and there's going to be a train passing on its way to Dublin Connolly. There's the beach right there. There's the LED display. Nothing being displayed. And if you look closely, it's got the old dark green colour from the early 2000s. We have another station sign over there. If I just zoom in over here, that's got the orange, black and white text, similar to the ones you see in Hazel Hatch, whereas this one is the blue. Also, there's 2 entrances here. Steep ramp, you have to be careful when going down here because there's another entrance over here. If I just show you, we have an information thing. This thing does not function either. Here's the timetable, and they got it mixed up with Kilcoole. Kilcoole is in County Kildare. It says Kilcoole is the Irish for Kilcoole, but it's not. It's Killcoole. And this station used to have the old early 2000s station signs, similar to the ones that you see that we saw in Wicklow, and also in Kildare, Donabate, Russian Lusk, Skerries, Drogheda and Dundalk and Monstrevan. But now that had been removed. There's another sign here, Killcoole. God, look at that sunny sky. And you have to be you have to be very careful here when you cross, when you're going to have a look at the beach. Wow. Next month we'll be having the RPSI Sea Breeze. That'll be going past here. Let's read this sign here. You need to stop, look and listen for the horn or sounds of the trains. That's okay. let's go over and have a look at the beach, shall we? Left. Look, right, no trains coming. Let's go over here. Here we are on the beach side of the station. Danger, operational railway, do not enter. Sign right there. Here we have the beach and the sea. Let's cross back to the platform. At least there's no trains coming. How are you gonna know if this doesn't function or the LED display doesn't function at all? You have the Irish Rail app on you or the real-time info app. Let's head back up here. Also, I forgot to show you something. Just walked along here. And on this station sign, you see here the eye is missing the top. It's missing the dot thing, I think. There's that one there. It's got the eye on it. I think we have another station sign on this one side here. Yeah, we do. Two different styles of station sign here. Right. I'll see you soon.